Title, quick tutorial, how to view drive usage on your Windows PC. Introduction. Checking your drive usage helps you see how much storage space is used and how much is available. You can view drive usage on your Windows computer in two ways, via File Explorer and through the Settings app. This guide will walk you through both methods to help you easily access drive information and manage your storage. Method 1, view drive usage through File Explorer. 1. Open File Explorer, click on the File Explorer icon on your taskbar or press Windows E on your keyboard. 2. Select the local drive, locate your local drive, e.g. C drive. Right-click or hold down on the drive. 3. Access Properties, tap on Properties from the context menu. 4. View storage usage. In the Properties window, you will see the Storage Usage section, which shows the amount of used and free space on the drive. Method 2, view drive usage through Settings. 1. Open Settings, click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press Windows I on your keyboard. 2. Select System Settings. On the left side, click on System. 3. Access Storage Options. On the right side, click on Storage. 4. Open Advanced Storage Settings. Under the Storage section, click on Advanced Storage Settings to view more options. 5. View storage used on drives. Click on storage used on other drives. 6. Select the drive. Choose the drive you want to view. You will be able to see how much storage space is used and how much is available. 7. Manage drive usage. Click on each item to see additional options to help you manage storage usage and free up space if needed. Conclusion. Using File Explorer or Settings, you can quickly view the drive usage on your computer to understand how much storage is being used and how much is left. This helps you manage storage efficiently and free up space when needed. Once done, you can simply close the Settings or File Explorer window.